Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have Smart House and Internet of Things. These are a infographic for Adobe Illustrator file. Here is a preview in JPG, PNG, SVG, and these are EPS for Adobe Illustrator. So first I open this JPG Smart House. You can write your own content here or detail and change color etc. Smart House and Internet of Things. Control with app, light, LCDs or LED, HDS or CCTV camera, and many more. So next is wow. You can change everything in Adobe Illustrator. So here is PNG. You can pick up one by one. These are icons. I am the icons in SVG files. So first I drag this file to Adobe Illustrator. Drag here. Okay. Extract layers, and here is menu group. You can edit everything. Our home, our color, the shadow, okay. Wow, you can change everything. This color looks like some color too. Red color, wow, red shadow, and write your anything, any your detail. Here is CCTV camera one by one. Wow, here color select to red. Red for mean recording. And light here. You can change color. So I close this file. These are RGB color for online user. Drag to Smart Housing and to change color. Like you depend on your own self, you can change everything. This color going to green, light green. Wow, you can change one by one. It's the same. And here is a tablet and here is phone. I think it's the same files. So last file is Smart House. These are poster, I think. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care.